Hi everyone, I'm here again with you all with my new topic of discussion today, that is eye color inheritance in case of Drosophila. As we all know, gene of eye color in case of Drosophila is present on the sex chromosome, that is X chromosome. That is why it is also known as sex linked inheritance. Drosophila, the common name of Drosophila is fruit fly. Why it is known as fruit fly? As it is found harboring around the ripened fruit. That's why it is known as fruit fly. The scientific name of fruit fly is Drosophila melanogaster. The name of the scientist who work on Drosophila melanogaster is Morgan. Morgan selected Drosophila as his experimental material because of following traits. In case of Drosophila, it has many types of hereditary variations like eye color. Two types of eye color we found in nature, red and white. Red is dominant character and white is recessive character. Second contrasting trait, that is body color, exists in two color, that is brown bodied and yellow bodied. Brown color is again dominant and yellow is recessive character. The third variation we found in case of Drosophila is the wing size. Wings exist in two sizes, large form and the miniature form. Large or long form is the dominant character and miniature form is the recessive character. Apart these, Drosophila can complete their life cycle in 2 weeks only. A single mating may produce large number of progeny. They could be grown on a simple synthetic medium in laboratory. If we provide only mashed banana in the form of culture medium, we can easily reproduce a pair of flies on that. We can easily distinguish between male and female Drosophila, as male Drosophila is smaller in size in comparison to the female Drosophila. Morgan observed 4 pairs of chromosome in case of Drosophila. This is the first pair chromosome, which is known as the sex chromosome pair, which is XX in case of female and XY in case of male. Y chromosome is somewhat J-shaped in structure. This is the second pair of chromosome, this is third pair of chromosome and this is fourth pair of chromosome. So first pair of chromosome is the sex chromosome and the rest 3 chromosomes represents the autosome in case of Drosophila. In case of Drosophila, normal eye color is red. Drosophila के केस में जो normal eye color है वो red normal eye color कहलाता है. Morgan observed white-eyed male in a group of red-eyed population of Drosophila. White-eyed male is the mutant one, जो mutant से nature में appear होता है. So he start his experiment with white-eyed male and crossbreed white-eyed male with the red-eyed female characters and given their result on the basis of their crosses. In case of Drosophila, we take just deviation from the normal Mendelian inheritance. In case of normal Mendelian inheritance, the naming is done on the basis of the dominant character. As in case of Mendel, tall and dwarf contrasting characters are considered in monohybrid cross. Tall is represented by capital T, which is the dominant character, and recessive is represented by small t, which is the smaller symbol of the tall dominant, that is capital T. But in case of Drosophila, what we observe, red is the normal eye color, it is the dominant character. Dominant is also known as wild type. The recessive eye color is white. Here naming is done on the basis of the recessive character and white is represented by the small w and dominant character, that is red, is represented by the capital W. Dominant character is also known as wild type. So because of the wild type, we place the plus sign for red eye color. Capital W along with the plus sign, it represents the dominant character. Dominant character are also known as the wild type. So what Morgan did, Morgan crossbreed white-eyed male with red-eyed female. What is the genotype for male? That is XY, and the gene of eye color recessive, that is small w, is present on the X chromosome. What is the genotype of red-eyed female? XX chromosome, and gene of red-eyed is W plus, is present on both the X chromosome. Here male produces 2 types of gametes and female produces 1 type of gamete. We place these gametes into the checkerboard. Gamete of female are placed here, that is X with W plus, that is red-eyed, and gamete of male are placed here, that is X with small w and Y. Both these combine together to produce XW plus and XW. W plus is the dominant character, so it is red-eyed female. Both these combine together to produce XW plus Y. W plus again dominant character, so it is red-eyed male. This is F1 generation. Next, what we done? That is selfing of F1. F1 हमारे पास आए हैं XW प्लस XW क्रॉस ब्रीड विद XW plus Y. Again here female produces 2 types of gamete and male produces 2 types of gametes. We place them in the checkerboard. We place the gamete of female on this side, that is XW plus and XW. Gamete of male we are placed on this side, that is XW plus and Y. क्या कॉम्बिनेशन यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस होगा? XW plus and XW plus. यहाँ क्या कॉम्बिनेशन प्रोड्यूस होगा? XW plus and XW. So both female having W plus. So both females are red-eyed. तो दोनों फीमेल यहाँ पर रेड-आइड प्रोड्यूस हुई हैं. इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से XW plus Y. इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से XW Y. This male is with W plus, so it is red-eyed male. And this male is with recessive character X small w without plus sign, so it is white-eyed male. ड्रोसोविला के केस में मॉर्गन ने इनहेरिटेंस किस करेक्टर की स्टडी की? दैट इज वाइट-आइड करेक्टर की स्टडी की थी, जो उन्होंने P1 मेल में लिया था. P1 मेल से करेक्टर किस में गया है? दिस करेक्टर इज गोज इनटू द F1 फीमेल. यहाँ पर ये एक्सप्रेस नहीं होता है बिकॉज इट इज प्रेजेंट अलॉन्ग विद द डोमिनेंट W प्लस जीन. and from F1 female character goes into the F2 मेल, F2 मेल में ये करेक्टर जा रहा है. तो इस करेक्टर की इनहेरिटेंस किस तरह से हो रही है? करेक्टर पासिस फ्रॉम P1 मेल टू F2 मेल थ्रू F1 female. Such type of inheritance is known as digynic inheritance, and it is also known as criss-cross inheritance. क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस क्यों कह रहे हैं? द करेक्टर पासिस फ्रॉम मेल टू फीमेल, फीमेल टू मेल, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस. द करेक्टर passes from P1 male to F2 male through F1 female. This is also known as digynic type of inheritance. Criss cross inheritance की first type है digynic, in which the character passes from P1 male to F2 male through F1 female. Second type of criss cross inheritance, in which the character passes from P1 female to F2 female through F1 male. Such type of criss cross inheritance is known as the diendric type. क्या रिलेशनशिप है डाइगाइनिक टाइप में P1 मेल और F2 मेल के केस में? P1 male is the grandfather. It passes his character to his grandson through his mother. मदर के थ्रू इनहेरिटेंस हो रही है करेक्टर की. ग्रैंडसन से किस में जा रहे हैं करेक्टर? ग्रैंडफादर से करेक्टर किस में जा रहे हैं? ग्रैंडसन में जा रहे हैं. तो सच टाइप ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस इज नोन एज द डाइगाइनिक टाइप. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस, एंड second type of criss cross inheritance is known as the diendric type, in which the character passes from P1 female to F2 female through F1 male. This is known as criss cross inheritance because the character passes from male to female, female to male, and male to female. So such type of crosses are known as the criss cross inheritance. This is all about in this video. I think the concept is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.